What's up, guys? Sam Dog, the infamous 253, coming at you guys here in the early morning. Italian sports car day. Getting ready to roll the RTC in one of these Lamborghinis. Check out this Diablo. We in the showroom. Some of the fellas right here. Last year I rode, if y'all remember, last year I rode in the blue one right here. Could be Huracan, could be the Huracan, this Gallardo. One of these. I know the Diablo doesn't come out. A couple of friends are here. Jimmy, Chase, Emily. Look at Emily. Emily, show that shirt off really quick. Show up. Get in, loser. Freaking UFO stuff. But yeah, we're ready to roll, so stay tuned. All right, so we're rolling. Event SV, my buddy Adam. Ooh, snap. Gotta be careful with what I got in here. So yeah, we're rolling in the Aventador SV once again, just like last year, a little repeat from last year, except the only difference is I got my dude Adam right here. And we got the top off this time. We gotta meet the guys over at the gas station though. Woo! Feels cool with the feels good with the top off. Now we're rolling, Adam. We rolling.
We want to get some gas.
Yeah, get her going a little bit.
We're gonna go juicing that for you, Sam.
Oh yeah, we got. But just remember, we can't get pulled over by the cops, otherwise we'll be banned. I was gonna find where the USB thing is, 'cause that way, I feel like it's in one of these areas. USB. I wonder where the USB connection is in this car. I never looked for that. I should look for that. We're right by the gas station, so we gotta get ready to roll. Cause I was gonna. Ooh. All right. Little car action for you to start the day off with. Of course, Adam's got to fill the tank up with gas. Is that right?
That's right, baby.
Which means I could take a little bathroom break. All right. Or get the time to look for the USB connection. So we'll get a little. All right, now we're leaving the gas station. We're getting ready to roll again. Of course, we gotta do a little roundabout, unfortunately. Woo. Our shade game is fresh today, Adam.
I gotta keep up with you, Sam.
Yep. Ooh. Yep. What do you mean you can't keep up with me? You got good shades too, man.
Oh, you always got the shade game too.
I bought these at a freaking Macy's. Back before my 2018 Vegas trip. Woo. Yep. Wait till you see what all we got to see at RTC. We got the Lamborghinis, the Ferraris. Of course, today I rocked the Lamborghini shirt. We up here in Bellevue, getting ready to hit the freeway. Hopefully we can get some good speed coming up once we hit the freeway. Thanks for letting me ride again, man.
Yeah, always, Sam.
Oh yeah, once again, always big thanks to my friends at to the friends at Lamborghini, Bentley, Rolls-Royce, McLaren, and Bellevue. Got Adam Robertson, the one who's driving the car, obviously. Shaheen and Emily and Jimmy, the whole family. I'll hold your phone. Yep. Yeah, and everyone at Lamborghini Bellevue. Woo! That was awesome. Right under a bridge too, and that's where you can get some good echo on the speed. But if you were going through the tunnel on I-90 to Seattle, then that thing would really echo. That's when it's really at its best. It's like we might be taking the long way.
Well, because you can't take a left out the gas station. So
right.
All the way around.
Oh. I see. Gotta stop. Remember, I don't own the copyrights to the music. Is that one of the showroom music?
I don't know what it is.
was able to find a USB, we've been playing some Nipsey Hussle.
Yeah, that's my phone ringing.
Is your phone linked to the car?
No.
Oh, okay. That's cool though. Landmark Motors Inc. Passing Landmark. Look at the Lambos right behind us. We're getting followed by an army of Lamborghinis.
My phone, check my phone for you, Sam.
Yep.
Ooh. Is there anyone on there? No.
Doesn't look like it. We just having some fun in here though. Woo! About to get on the freeway in a little bit, then we'll get some, hopefully there's no cops around, that way we can get a good speed off getting in on the freeway, but we can't do it at the square because we don't want to get banished.
Yeah, that's right.
Smart thinking. Unlike those dumbasses in the Audis that got pulled over the one time that I messaged last time. Woo! Another thing I always like to mention, now I know a lot of y'all always like my football videos, but sometimes you guys, you know, I mean, I love y'all that come view, but sometimes I think y'all should come check out my car videos, because my car videos are where it's at too. Showing off nice cars. Adam can tell you for sure. Gotta check out the car videos.
Sam's Dog's car videos is where it's at.
And then Adam has sold Lamborghinis to Cliff Averill and a McLaren to Cliff Averill.
That's right.
He hooked my man Cliff Averill up. You know, Seahawks Super Bowl 48 champion and legend.
They look like rain clouds, Sammy, or they look like normal clouds?
Yeah.
What you think it's rain clouds?
Rain clouds. They better go away because we need it nice for this day. Freeway time. Freeway time. We're really gonna feel the air this time. And, whoa, really felt that turn? Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh, snap. Carpool lane in a Lamborghini, who would have thought? Lamborghini is meant for the speed lane.
No, we just cruise, wait for everyone to catch up.
Oh yeah, we gotta wait for everyone to catch up too. Hey, we're talking some V10 engines and V8s. They should be able to catch up.
This is a 12, huh?
This is a 12, exactly. One of these days, I'm gonna take this out on the racetrack. One of these days in Vegas, whenever I get back up there in my work, you know. Yep. Woo! I am not going to chance holding up there to try to get the yellow Lambo spot. I do not want to lose my phone on the freeway. Shaheen's pulling up right beside us. Look at that. Shaheen's about to take lead on us. Shaheen always got to lead the pack. Friggin' doing it. Yeah. Woo! Let's go. Woo! Look at that, look at that. Alright, I'll save some footage to show you guys some of the cars once we get into the area. There's your drive for a little bit and we'll get some driving at the end. Okay, now we rolling in. Kids trying to show up. I get the better view today though. Me and Adam, we got the best view though. He get the best view all the time. Whew.
Gotta do the point, Sammy. Gotta do the point with people. Gotta do the point.
I know, exactly. We gotta point at him, man. I mean, look, I got you on there. You ain't pointing at me, Adam. Hey, now you pointing. Look at that muscle car right there. Look at that. Look at that.
That's awesome.
That's pretty dope, man. Did y'all see that? What's up? What's up? Rolling in deep. Hey, Nick.
You can only put 3 of your cars in center court. Are you okay? The Ferrari club took over, did he?
Oh.
Okay. Ferrari club took over, did he? I can't hear you. Okay.
What's up, Nick?
Just for these two there.
Yeah, you love me, man. Look at that. We got some Ferraris taking over in there. Yo! So yeah, we're getting in here. Let's see what we got in there. We got some Alfa Romeos, some Ferraris. Now the Lamborghini club's just pulling in. The Lamborghini entourage has arrived.
The man, the myth, legend.
What's up?
You're late.
Well, that's because they were waiting on me, the VIP.
Yeah, basically.
Paula! Let's see if... Hi, Paula. Hey, Paula. A couple other friends. See, they've got some Ferraris in here. Woo! Ferrari. Another Ferrari. You know I gotta do my side door shot a little bit later too, you know? For the gram. What's up? Not much. Doing good. Hey, what's up? What's up, what's up? What's up, Mark? Oh, hey, look, they got a Lamborghini. They got one of the old Lamborghini tractors. There's 2 of them. Not a lot of people know that Lamborghini started out with tractors first before he did cars.
And you know why he did it?
Because he couldn't get his Ferrari working.
There's Big John over there, look.
Hey, Tank, snap this! All right, we here.
Where'd I put my plate?
Oh, the plate?
Yeah, so you go into the seat.
It's right on the side. I put it
in.
I put it on. You want me to put it on this here?
We'll put it by that.
Yeah. Woo! Let's go. Okay, so today for the cars, for the Italian sports car day, Greg brought the LaFerrari Aperta. He brought the LaFerrari out. And of course he brought the Enzo. Check out that Enzo. Sexy red Enzo, y'all seen this before. And he brought an F40. Check out this F40, man. Look at that, ain't that sexy, man? The last car that Enzo Ferrari was alive to produce was the F40. Look at that.
Counting 1, counting 2.
Ferraris took up all the good spots today. Ooh, it's all right though. I still got my sexy door shot in my Lamborghini. Ooh. Guess it's not all Ferraris in there. There's Paula's car. We did great, baby. How was the ride in? Where'd you park your car?
We stopped way the fuck back there.
Damn. Damn. Hey, Jason. Tell me you got those shots, man, as we roll in. I want to get some of those on Facebook eventually. Jason Tane, photography. Look him up sometime. Jason Tane. All right. Ooh, look at that. Look what Roy decided to bring out. The red, white, and blue Diablo. No, that's a son driving that one. SVR, man. I haven't seen this one in a while. I haven't seen this one in a long time. Wow. How you doing? Doing good. Yeah. Wow. That's dope. These are Di Tomasos. Ferrari. Check out the engine of the F40. Ooh.
Maybe waste that multiple people, yeah. So, where did you get a technological?
Obviously, that's the F40. Ooh. Now, if I was to have a Lamborghini Aventador SV with the hardtop, this is how I would have it. This would be me all day in this red color right here. I would have a Lamborghini Aventador SV just like this one. That is sexy as fuck. Gotta go with the red. Ooh, a Ferrari? Yep. I know, usually I can never get enough of the cars in the middle. Greg brought the F12 again, too. Ooh, a Mira. A Mira. I didn't see that coming yet. This is old school. Body made by Bertoni. Bertoni. Samira S. It's pretty darn cool.
Porsche GT3.
Freaking P4 Ferrari. This is rare. It's like I could make a better sports car. And he did just. Okay, now me and Shaheen, we're leaving RTC now. I got my man Shaheen now. This time we are in the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Brand new. Look at this tech on this car, the touch screen, and obviously the speedometer. And I mean, this is like major high tech. Wouldn't you say, Shaheen?
Very high tech. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, you remember Shaheen? We were in the blue SV last time, but the only difference was we had the top on. First time ride. This is my first Huracan ride. Take that in mind.
Really?
Yep. This is the first time I've ridden in a Huracan. I've never ridden in a Huracan up to this point. Listen to that. And this is a V10 engine, right?
Yes.
Yeah, very strong V10 as well. I mean, look at that. Look at that freaking. What is that stuff right here? Is that just another form of the carbon fiber with the Lamborghini on it right there?
It's composite, it's not carbon fiber, but it's the part of the design philosophy.
Nice.
Of Lamborghini. It's all hexagonal shapes.
That is really cool. Go Hawks!
Hey, go Hawks! Next win! Thanks, brother.
Yep. Always gotta show love for the fellow Seahawk fans still too, you know? Yep. My third Lambo of this year, obviously starting out in Vegas with Nick Aliar, and then with Adam in the SV again, and now we with Shaheen in the Huracan Evo, brand new. This is a 2019 car.
20.
What?
2020.
2020 actually. Keep that in mind. This is for the future. This is 2020. I had no idea this was a 2020. That's awesome. That's why everything looks so brand new. And we got the others following behind. We got Emily with her UFO shirt that says "Get in, loser." That was a funny shirt that she had on.
Awesome.
It was awesome. Freeway coming up. Ooh. Oh man, if that Mazda wasn't in front of us, man, we'd be whipping it pretty good. Listen to that! Guys, again, a first look through Sam Dog Infamous 253 in our Huracan Evo Lamborghini. The best Lamborghini has to offer for the future for 2020. Got Shaheen rolling it again. This interior is also pretty cool too, with this burgundy red leather and the burgundy red leather, the white on the outside, and the black leather with the little stitched in red stitching right here. It's definitely really awesome. yeah, I thought I'd capture a little bit. Fun day exotics at RTC with my man Shaheen right here again. Thank you guys at Lamborghini at Bellevue for letting me turn on this. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and until the next time, if you ain't with it, you ain't infamous. That right, Shaheen?
It's true.
Yep. From Lamborghini at Bellevue. Peace out.